Hey everyone, it's Sam here from Sugar Spun Run, and today I'm showing you how to make my favorite potato salad. Potato salad is a classic summertime staple, and today I'm showing you how to make my favorite version. This is super simple, should be a pretty quick video, so let's get right to it. The first thing that you're going to need is 2 pounds of potatoes. My preference when making potato salad is to use golden potatoes. And as you can see, I've gone ahead and I didn't peel mine, you can if you prefer. I've gone and cut these into pieces that are all similar in size. Let's add these potatoes to a large pot of water over on our stovetop. And I always love to generously salt my water. Now let's bring this water to a boil, and we're going to cook these potatoes. We'll stir occasionally. We're just going to cook them until they are tender when pierced with a fork. Now you'll want to drain these potatoes over the sink, and after draining your potatoes, you're going to want to add them to a large bowl. Now you don't want to add any dressing to your potato salad until your potatoes have cooled completely. So for now, we're just going to go ahead and set these aside, and while they're cooling, we can go ahead and make our dressing. You're going to need a small separate bowl, and to this bowl, we are going to add 1 cup of mayonnaise. And if you want to cut a few calories, I really like that olive oil-based mayonnaise. That works just as well for me. Now we're going to add either a tablespoon of vinegar or a tablespoon of sweet pickle juice. Now, because I like my potato salad a little bit more on the sweet side, I generally opt for using sweet pickle juice, but today we're using apple cider vinegar. We'll also be adding 2 teaspoons of mustard. Make sure I get all that in there. 2 teaspoons of sugar, a ½ teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, and an 1/8 teaspoon of smoked paprika. I love this. It adds just a subtle smoky flavor to the potato salad. Now, of course, you'll want to whisk everything together until it's completely combined and you have a nice dressing for your potato salad. Once your potatoes have had time to cool, now we can go ahead and assemble the rest of our potato salad. Now, the next ingredient you're going to need is 3 hard-boiled eggs, and you're going to want to go ahead and dice these. We'll also add a ½ cup of finely chopped red onion, a ½ cup of crumbled bacon, about a 1/3 cup of finely chopped celery, and a ½ cup of finely chopped sweet pickles. This is one of my favorite ingredients. Now toss everything together until all of your ingredients are nicely combined. And finally, we can add our dressing. Make sure you stir everything really well so that all of our ingredients get nicely coated with this dressing. Now, once you've stirred everything together, you're going to want to cover this potato salad and chill it for at least several hours. That's going to help the flavor to really develop. Once your potato salad has had some time to chill, we are ready to serve and enjoy. Making myself a big bowl because this smells so good and I am hungry. All right, everybody, I really hope you enjoyed today's video on how I make my all-time favorite potato salad. If you try this one out, I would really appreciate hearing how you like it. I always love hearing from you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Hey, if you guys enjoyed today's potato salad video, I would really appreciate it if you would give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Also, if you enjoyed today's video, here are a few others you might like as well.